Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an eToro account in 2025. For that, first of all, you will have to open your web browser. You can do it in your PC, in your laptop, or in your mobile device. And here in the search bar, you need to simply search for etoro.com. Now, once you search for it, you will be landed on this page where you can unlock the $10 sign up bonus by just creating your account at eToro. So here, in order to create your account, simply click on join eToro, and then you will see this type of pop-up or this type of page in front of you. Now over here you can create your account with the help of your Gmail account, or you can even provide your email address over here. So you can provide your email address on this page, then create a username for your account, then create a strong password for your account. Afterwards, you will have to simply check these two boxes and click on the create account option. Now I want to continue with Google, so I'm simply going to select this option. Then after selecting my email, it is going to ask me to continue, so you will have to simply click on the continue option. Then for the username, you will have to provide your username. I'm just gonna keep it as it is, and then after checking these two boxes, you need to click on creating account option, and there you go, you have successfully created your account at eToro. Now you will have to verify your account, and only then you will be able to make deposits and withdrawals at eToro. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.